Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to take active and passive voice, which is very important topic of your syllabus, and I hope you already have some idea from your previous classes about active and passive voice. First of all, I must tell you what is voice. When we talk about active and passive voice, remember it is about verb, the voice of verb. You must remember in Hindi grammar also you read it by the names Vach, Kritavach and Karmavach. Similarly, active voice and passive voice. Now, as I told, it is about the verb. First of all, look at these two sentences. Dinesh killed a cat. A cat was killed by Dinesh. The man must have eaten 5 bananas. Vipin mailed the letter. 5 bananas must have been eaten by the man. The letter was mailed by Vipin. Now, these are examples of active and passive voice. In active voice, the first sentence when you see, the man must have eaten 5 bananas. Here, the subject, what is the subject in the sentence? The man. In the second sentence, Vipin. Now, these two sentences are in active voice because the subject does some action. Okay, subject is the doer of the action. When the subject does some action, subject is the doer of the action, we say that the sentence is in active voice. The man is doing some action, Vipin is doing some action, means subject is doing the action, that is why the subject is active. Doing action means it is active. Okay, now in the passive voice you see 5 bananas must have been eaten. Here the subject of the sentence is 5 bananas. In the second sentence the letter was mailed, letter is the subject, but 5 bananas not doing any action, the letter not doing any action, but the subject not doing action, but it is receiving the action, means the action of being eaten is received by bananas. Here the letter was mailed, mailing is the action which is received by letter. Okay, so this is the difference between active and passive voice. Again I am repeating, in active voice the subject is the doer, does some action. In passive voice the subject is the receiver of the action, it receives the action. Okay, now there are 3 basic rules when we change the voice of the sentences, when we make from active to passive or passive to active. 3 basic rules are: first is, when we change from active to passive, the subject of the sentence becomes the object in passive voice. Similarly, the object of the active sentence become the subject of the passive voice. And one important rule, the verb, the main verb always comes in third form in the passive voice. Remember, whatever tense it is, no matter whatever tense it is, in passive voice the main verb always comes in third form, like eaten or mailed. These are third forms. So remember, passive voice third form, this have to remember. Now we have different rules to change from active to passive or passive to active according to the tenses. Different tenses have different rules. Today I am only talking about the present tense. Okay, example you can see, he writes a letter. Active voice. Passive voice, a letter is written by him. She sings a song is sung by her. They invite me, I am invited by them. Now how we are making? He and letter, these are subject and object. Letter, which was object in the sentence, in passive voice we start with the letter, making it the subject, and he here becomes by him, subject becomes object, and writes becomes written in third form. And now the main thing is the verb, how it changes. In simple present we use is, am, are, these helping verbs with this. Okay, so object plus is, am, are plus third form of the verb plus by, the word by, and the subject, it makes the passive voice. If you make negative sentence, there will be do or does in simple present, so in that place you will use is, am, are, any verb, helping verb, whatever is suitable there, and you will use not after that. Like, I do not distribute newspapers. Newspapers are not distributed by me. She does not buy mobiles. Mobiles are not bought by her. In the same manner, negative sentence, if they start with do or does, like, do you obey your elder brothers? Again you will use, in place of do, does, you will use is, am, are. Here, is your elder brother obeyed by you? Okay, in the same manner you can make interrogative negative also. Okay, like, does Mohit not plant a tree? Is a tree not planted by Mohit? This way you make it negative interrogative. Now in continuous tense, remember, remaining all things are same, only to make it continuous, because for making continuous we always use the ing form of the verb, but as I told you we use the third form in all the tenses. So for ing we use being, be plus ing, being. Okay, and is, am, are is always used in continuous tense. So with the helping verb is, am, are, we use being. Okay, for making it continuous we use being. Look at the example. My friend is cooking the food. The food is being cooked by my friend. But rest all things are same. The food is, earlier we made cooked by my friend, here is being cooked. To make it continuous we will use the word being. Rest things are similar in negative and interrogative also. Here only one thing you have to be careful, where you will use in negative and interrogative negative, here to use the word not. Okay, she is not purchasing a house is not being purchased. Okay, here not is used between is, am, are plus being. Between these two, is not being purchased. You will not say is being not purchased, it is wrong. Not is just in the middle of is helping verb plus being. Remember this. In the interrogative negative also, are they plucking some flower? Okay, interrogative, are they plucking some flowers? Are some flowers being plucked? And interrogative negative, he is not flying a kite. Is he not flying a kite? Is a kite not being flown? Again remember, we have to use not. Here after is, am, are, the subject comes, the subject which was object in the active sentence. Kite is a kite, then comes not, then comes being. Okay, here between is, am, are helping verb and being subject and the word not, these two come. Now perfect tense, she has taken a cup of tea. A cup of tea has been taken. Remember, here in perfect tense when you use the helping verbs has and have, simply you add one more verb form of be, that is been. Have becomes have been, has becomes has been. She has taken cup of tea has been taken by her. You have found the address has been found by you. Simply you are adding been. Rest all rules are similar. he has not eaten a banana has not been eaten. Like in simple, is not eaten, here has not been eaten. It is same, only some verbs are changing. Okay, so these are the basic rules of changing in present tense from active to passive voice. Past and future I will be discussing in next video. Okay, that's all for today, and you also note down these rules with few examples. That's all for today. Thank you.